Lingua Latina tutorials with Mr. K. This is chapter 44, lesson 4, exercises. Here we have practice with what are called true I stems. You learn the I stem of nawis, which had a genitive nawium, I-U-M, and also mare, which had an ablative singular of mari, a long I, and marium in the genitive plural. But there are very few nouns that are called true I stems, which have, instead of m in the accusative, they have im, as you see here in the margin, and their ablative is also a long I. And a few of them are febris, which is a fever, pupis, which is the deck of a ship, securis, which is an axe, sitis, thirst, Turis, tower, and Tiberis and Charybdis, Tiberis the river, and Charybdis the monster. So here we have some practice with true I stems. So alter blank in caput regis deiecit. One of them drove down an axe into the head of the king. And so here we want the accusative of securis, and because it's true I stem, it's securim. And then we have post triumphum, dux hostium blank percussus est. So after the triumph, the leader of the enemy was struck. And then we want to say by an axe. And so we need the ablative. Ablative of a true I stem is securi. Securi. Bene, let's try number 10. Our vocab, anci filii, qui aegre ferebant se blank, a word that means dolo, tutoris regno prohibitos esse, tarquinio insidias parabant. So the sons of Ancus, who were enduring badly or were not tolerating well, literally were bearing sickly, that they, by a trick of their tutor, were being kept from the kingdom. Prohibitos esse regno. So we need here the ablative of fraus, which is the same as dolus, and that is fraus, fraudis, fraude. Okay, try the rest of those exercises. Let's go on to number 11. Okay, question and answer. Cur anci Marcii filii Servio Tullio insidias para verunt. Okay, so why did the sons of Ancus Marcius prepare an ambush or plots for Servius Tullius? Well, the answer is they were upset, right? So they thought, let's go, filii anci Marcii putabant or consebant, thought that fraude, that se fraude tutoris were driven away from the kingdom. Pulsos esse, consebant or putabant, pulsos esse se regno, from the kingdom. Also, they thought that Servius was unworthy of ruling because he was a foreigner. So you could say that filii anci Marcii consebant ad venam, a foreigner, pro iis, instead of them, regnavisse, was ruling. So let's look here and see what Orberg says. Filii anci se tutoris fraude regno pulsos esse consebant. The sons of Ancus thought that they were being driven away from the kingdom by the fraud, deception of their teacher. Okay, go ahead and try the rest of those. And then I will see you back in the text for lesson 5, and we'll be starting at line number 334. Buona fortuna.